Few people would think that raising pigs and producing bacon could be so straightforward and yet generate an income of up to $6 million for farmers in Australia. Let's explore the journey from the farm to the meat processing plant and uncover the secrets to their success. First, join me to find out through statistical data. The amount of meat consumption in Australia in 2021 is about 9.4. The total market value reaches $800 million. The Australian farmer's farm is extremely large, up to 1,000 hectares wide. It raises more than 60,000 Berkshire pigs, a breed carefully selected for its superior growth ability and delicious meat quality. The difference in the way Australian farmers raise pigs is the application of outdoor pig farming, also known as free-range farming. The outdoor bar system is designed to be spacious and airy, ensuring enough space for pigs to move, sunbathe, dig and express natural behaviors. This helps pigs grow healthily, reduces the risk of disease and improves meat quality. The farm is divided into separate functional areas, serving each stage of pig growth and development. The sow breeding area is designed independently from the piglet breeding area to ensure safety and appropriate care conditions for each stage. Please leave number 1 if you like this topic, otherwise press the like button. In Australian pig farms, selected breeding pigs are assessed for muscle thickness, and then the breeding process primarily involves artificial insemination. This method offers significant advantages such as better genetic control, reduced risk of disease transmission, improved farming efficiency, and cost savings. In addition, sows are regularly monitored with ultrasound to ensure a well-nourished pregnancy, and their health is closely monitored to ensure a healthy pregnancy and smooth birth. These are piglets born after the sow's gestation period of about 114–116 days. Farmers design 2-layer cages to keep pigs warm, with an open layer connected to the drainage system to maintain a clean, dry environment. The barn doors are arranged to open to the outdoor area, allowing regular exposure to sunlight. During this period, piglets depend entirely on mother's milk for nutrition during the first 1 to 2 weeks. To ensure an adequate milk supply, farmers provide nutritious food and plenty of water. After 5 weeks, prior to free-range release, farmers employ advanced technologies such as RFID sensors and image analysis to assess the appearance and physiological indices of pigs. Selected pigs are marked and vaccinated throughout the farming process. Equipment like automatic marking machines and the WA21 mobile scale facilitate quick and easy weighing of pigs. This equipment features front wheel mobility for easy movement, and the weighing bar is protected by impact-resistant systems, mouse-proof cables, and weighing technology for dust and water resistance. With well-planned operating procedures, the removal of waste and bedding material from pig pens can be managed effectively using farm tractors. In addition, workers also used high-pressure washers to remove residual waste from the pig ventilation holes. In addition, workers have also modernized the use of cleaning robots to clean and reduce workers' effort. Are you curious about the pig food in Australian farms? Like most pig farms around the world, pigs in Australia are fed a raw diet consisting of natural, unprocessed foods such as whole grains, green vegetables, and grass. This method is believed to offer numerous health benefits and enhance the quality of pork while reducing farm workers divide the feed into small portions to optimize the amount of food for pigs and give them time to chew and digest their food. Have you ever seen pigs eating fruits? Leave a comment below to share interesting moments from your journey at this pig farm. Pigs raised for meat on farms typically weigh between 220 to 286 pounds before being transported to processing plants. During this period, safety is paramount. According to statistics from the Australian Department of Agriculture, the annual pork production is approximately $25 million, with around 70% consumed domestically and 30% exported. The average per capita pork consumption in Australia is about 0.2 pounds. There are two main methods for humanely handling pigs: electrical stunning and CO2 gas. However, in Australian factories, they use the electric method, in which pigs are led into an electrified system to anesthetize and quickly render them unconscious. The pig is then lifted by its hind legs along the conveyor belt to remove hair, followed by offal processing, which is performed immediately afterwards. In the classification process at a modern processing facility, pigs are marked methodically with relevant data such as production date, weight, and quality standard compliance before proceeding to the meat cutting process. This ensures thorough monitoring and inventory control. Next, the pigs are transported and hung on a rail system for efficient processing in the segregation area. Each carcass is precisely cut using specialized tools to divide it into anatomical parts, ensuring optimal use of meat and bones. The meat is then portioned into standard cuts such as legs, ribs, and belly, and packaged according to weight specifications and market demands. After processing, packaged products undergo quality inspection to ensure they meet standards before being sealed, labeled, and stored in refrigeration facilities prior to distribution. Join me for a cup of tea as we follow along to the end of the video, where there will be a surprise for you. Have you enjoyed bacon yet? Join me now on how to prepare bacon in a factory. Choosing cuts with the optimal fat to meat ratio is paramount to achieving great results with each piece of bacon. Just spread. The meticulous cutting and shaping process ensures uniformity and stable quality. The meat is then preserved by soaking in a brine solution or by rubbing it dry with an appropriate mixture of salt, sugar, and spices. This step helps increase flavor and prolong storage time. Next, the meat is passed through a machine equipped with high-pressure water jets, helping the brine mixture penetrate deep into the meat tissue, creating a rich flavor. The meat is then placed in a smokehouse, maintaining a temperature typically between 200 to 275 F for an extended period. This slow smoking technique allows for optimal smoke absorption while preserving the meat's moisture. After smoking, the smoked pork undergoes a pressing process to achieve consistent thickness and size before packaging.